She can't wait. She wants to open the
Mommy,
pots
open
and
this one
pans.
first.
There. Come on, anak. Come on.
Come on. Come here. Here. Okay, you open this one. Okay. Look, what's in there?
Yan siya.
What's in there? What's in there? Oh. Open it. Open. What's in there? Is it? Wow.
Pumasok.
Wow.
Anak, you open naman before you play with it.
Open. Open.
Nag-telephone na.
Open it. Come on.
Open, anak.
Yeah. Wow.
Buksan mo na, Daddy.
Wow. Nice.
Wow. It's just the perfect height for her.
Look, you got drawers. Wow. And then look what's in here. Mia. Look, Mia. Look, Mia. You can go cooking like that. You cook?
Ayaw.
Oh, you got more pots. Yay. Put your phone back here.
Wow, good job, Mia. You like that? Hey.
You got kitchen?
Hey, girl.
Kitchen? Nice? You like it? Oh, not that much.
She's not dead. I can smell her.
Huh?
Chico pupu. Sobrang excitement yata, no?
Here's your gift. From M.
Tingnan mo ganap. Ala, ano to, ganak? Salamat. Bebe.
Cool.
Bebe, lagay mo nga yung pots and pans ibabaw ng range. No, this one. The one that we got. Anak, you're gonna untog your head. Look, Daddy's gonna put your pants. There. You watch Daddy.
Come here, be cool.
Wow. Wow.
You're cool.
Ayaw.
Yeah. When you're done playing, you put it on like that.
Actually, that's good storage. She wants to play with the faucet. Okay.